The sun is going down right now. Like it's already set. And you know what else is going down? My tolerance from BS from myself. I am sick and tired of having time management issues. And I'm talking to anyone who is having an internal struggle with herself. If you are a high impact woman and you are currently having an internal struggle with yourself in your journey to improve in your business, in your life, in your whatever area you're currently working on in your health and weight loss, I am going to talk directly to you because I am literally sick and tired of procrastinating. I am tired of having this poor time management. I don't want it anymore. I've changed my identity, but for some reason, it keeps winning. It's time for you to gut that, pull it out, yank it, and make it unavailable to you. Procrastination needs to be unavailable to me. I use it in abuse. Let me tell you this. Last night, the video 31 that I posted on my YouTube channel, I pressed publish at 11:58 p.m. I was putting myself through this entire time crisis, this pressure, this anxiety. I don't want that for myself anymore. And if you are anything like me, I know you're sick and tired of it. You are sick and tired of delaying yourself access to peace and joy. It doesn't come from last minute acting. It doesn't come from procrastination and mismanaging of time. I I don't even understand how I can do for others timely, but when it comes for myself, I back burner myself. I don't like that. I don't have the energy for it anymore. I want that energy to go towards other things. Procrastination gotta bounce. It has to go. The mismanagement of time cannot go with me where I'm going. And if that's true for you, we're going to figure this out together. All right, so first thing first, procrastination for most of my life was always an upside for me. It was a skill set that allowed me to ace anything last minute. I'm talking about ace it from school, after school, work, all of the above. I could, with procrastination on my side, I was able to ace it. And the reason is because the things that I had to show up for that required time management that I basically ignored, time management that I basically ignored were one-off projects at a time. But when you make a daily commitment, when you make a daily devotion, such as posting online every day, knocking out 10,000 steps every day, and changing your life, and optimizing your life, your business, your health, your wealth, your relationships, that's a daily thing. What you did yesterday no longer counts. Your 10,000 steps that you did yesterday do not count towards today. The video I made yesterday does not count towards this video. They are stepping stones. It is not the stone itself. It's just a means to the next one. And procrastination, mismanagement of time, it's going to be way too much when you commit to something daily. Even when I was doing my 10,000 steps, I would finish sometimes at 11:43, 11:58, just trifling to my own self. How can I go to the next level of self-trust if I keep procrastinating? I'm really like, I have type A about planning trips. Like I'll have everything planned for a trip, never missed a plane on my dime. I've never missed a plane. I've never, and so, but it's for other people. Well, kind of, no, maybe because I've attached some level of value to it. But when it comes to me, it's like a form of self-sabotage. Really, that's what it is. The mismanagement of my own time is a form of self-sabotage. And this is how I plan to fix it. For one, stop what you're doing. This is me to me. Stop what you're doing. Tonight we are not going to decompress. Tonight I am not going to decompress on spending an hour on social media and then rush to get everything done after my bedtime. It's going into my bedtime, it's going into my nighttime reading, it's going into other area is affecting my bedtime, is affecting my nighttime reading, is affecting my mornings, because when I get to sleep late, I'm not able to wake up as early. It's this continuous cycle that doesn't seem to stop. So unless you grab a hold, grab a unless you grab a hold of it, because this can't continue. I plan to be here doing these daily videos. I plan to continue adding new habits, building my health, my wealth, my relationships, myself. And I have to get on top of this because I have never seen it exasperated like it has before. Because with daily posting, daily 10,000 steps, daily tracking calories, daily water intake, daily everything, it's coming up in 24 hours. In 24 hours, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Or I can choose to do something different. And today, right here, right now, I'm choosing to do something different. And if you need to choose to do something different so that you can get out of that stress zone and regulate your nervous system. See, I think the response of procrastination or mismanagement of time has something to do with like nervous system misalignment, self-sabotage, identity gap. Oh wait, that's everything I talk about on this channel. Look, I have that problem too. I'm living this, learning from it and teaching it at the same time, in addition to where I've already succeeded. But for this daily long form posting, oh my goodness, it's a challenge. But the reason it's a challenge is because I wasn't prepared. So get your pencils out. This is exactly how we're going to prepare to remove procrastination, remove the mismanagement of time in our life so that we can be focused, be full of energy, and regulate our nervous system so that we can continue on to building, to get the more fulfillment out of our life right here, right now, not at a later date, right here, right now. All right, so this is the first thing I'm gonna do. The first thing I'm gonna do is pray. Like, no joke, pray. And this is not a I'm begging some man in the sky prayers. Don't get it twisted. That's not how I roll over here. This is a true, like, okay, one, release. Release the past. I'm not going to be mad at myself. I have lots of passion right now because that's just how I feel, but I'm not going to be mad at myself. I'm going to just release the energy, and then boom, this is what I'm going to do. So in order for me to address the mismanagement of time, I'm going to choose one area of my life where I'm going to create a plan. If I were to do it in every area of my life, I can guarantee you I'm going to fail by tomorrow. So one thing I'm going to do in one area of my life. So for me, just being completely transparent, completely honest, for me, what I'm going to do specifically, I'm going to focus on my daily YouTube videos. All right. So what I need to do is I need to, one, get ahead. So I need to plan. I need to prepare. If you don't have a plan, and if you're not prepared, then you're prepared to fail. What is it? Whatever it is. If you're not, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. That's what it is, right? Okay, yeah. So one, I need a plan. So I'm going to personally, I'm going to get ahead on my videos, do the research that I need to do, and create a document. But I need to plan it. So if I'm going to be recording to get ahead, if I'm going to be editing to stay ahead, if I'm going to be scheduling it out, boom, I got everything covered, because that's all it is. Recording, editing, uploading. Now, I don't do much recording. These are talking heads videos. I am working on improving the quality of my public speaking. So I'm using my expertise, and I'm sharing with you. I'm being transparent. I'm not coming on here as someone that has it all together. I'm coming on here honestly. I have accomplished some great things in my life, and I look forward to accomplishing more. But right now, I want to decrease that irritating mismanagement of time. It's irritating because I know I can do better. It's irritating because I'm counting on me, and you're counting on me, and everything that's relying on me. So I have chosen to resolve that first. So I need to plan, I need to prepare. For you, that may be you need to plan and prepare how and when you're going to work out, how and when you're going to fast. It'll be different for different areas of my life, but that's what, I don't know how long it's been out. Ooh, I'll have to type in stuff like that. You just have to be, that's another reason why you have to be prepared, because boom, my microphone was out. I don't even know how long it was out. So say for instance, if it was 10 p.m., then what am I going to do? So yeah. So back to what I was saying, scheduling what it is you have to do and let it be known to anybody that's involved, i.e. kids, i.e. spouse. All right, so I'm not sure what's going on with my microphone. See, shit happens. Things happen that you have no control over. So we need to decrease what we can and focus on our inputs, so that when things happen, because things are always going to happen, at least we were able to manage what we could to lessen the blow. So my microphone just died. I hope it recorded the first part of this video. If not, it will just be a voiceover with some cool photos from my travels. But yeah, case in point, it's time to get together. It's time to get that together. I'm literally so irritated with the mismanagement of my time. At the same time, I'm going to release that, because in order for me to move forward and in order for me to really come out on the other side, and I can't wait for day 61 or whatever, 30 days from now, where I tell you exactly how it worked. It's going to work. I have no choice but to make it work. With what I'm building, you can't be you got to be diligent. Right now I have all these text messages in my phone that I haven't replied to. I mean, I'm busy, but I'm not that busy where I can't respond. I can't call some people. Like, all these excuses, I'm going to remove them one by one, because it's taking up mental space first and foremost, and also it has got me to where I am, and I'm trying to go somewhere new. So right here, right now, these are the things that I'm going to do for myself. So these are the things I'm going to do en route to managing my time better. And I don't know about y'all, but I, in school, like growing up, my like report card, progress report will always say something good about my work, but then it will always say use time wisely, talk too much, talk to other students, etc., etc. And if you think about it, nobody was addressing that, because they were like, oh, well, you make good grades, so like, okay, yeah, use time wisely, whatever. But this is what the teachers were talking about, use time wisely. Like, imagine if they gave me something to use my time. Now, I don't know what they expected me as a middle elementary school student to do, but if I had all this extra time in your class, you know, what else could I have been doing? But that was always the case in point on my report cards. It was use time wisely. Yo, I never thought about that. Oh my God. So if you were a talkative girly like me, and now you are a high impact woman like me, and if this video resonates with me, make sure you subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. But yes, all those use time wisely's, yeah, okay, I hear you, teacher. I hear you, third grade teacher, first, second, third, all the way up. I always got that on my report card. Use time wisely. So I'm up for the freaking challenge, and I'm not about to lose this challenge. One thing about me, I'm very competitive. It's me against time management. Yes, some days it's going to be hard. Some days I'm going to want to just scroll. But guess what? Those people that I'm reading their stuff about, or videos that I'm watching, they are producers. And I'm sitting over here consuming. I want to be a producer. Sometimes it's not even about scrolling. Sometimes it's just literally wasting time, just finding stuff to do. And those things can really wait. When something is time bound, the other things can wait. And by scheduling it in, getting things done early so that I can adhere to a bedtime, so I can wake up and continue to get those things done, so that I can start my day and then have joy in my life. I want more joy in my life. I don't want this to be a chore that I hate. So that's what I'm going to do. The sun has set, and so have my patience with my previous procrastination and mismanagement of time. I'm going to really, really double down on my efforts to change it. I hope you do too. I hope you choose to inconvenience yourself temporarily, because you're building a new skill. You're upskilling. Time management is a skill. It's a skill. Using our time wisely is a skill. And now more than ever, there are so many distractions. Well, them distractions gotta bounce. Cause I'm back. The winter arc has ended. I got a jacket on, not a coat. It's warm. The temperature's going up. Yeah, run me my stuff. That's me to me. But anyways, I hope you all having a beautiful day. If you're interested in mindset mastery transformation, okay, and getting more fulfillment out of your life now, make sure you subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a beautiful, time-managed day. Peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that.